Welcome to Daily English Flow.
Hi, Eva. Hey, you look like you're thinking hard. Everything okay?
Oh, hi, Rachel. Actually, yesterday someone asked me, "What's your daily routine?" And I froze.
Really?
Yeah, I just said, "Nothing much." But honestly, I do a lot, every day.
That happens. It's easy if you tell it step by step.
Exactly. So I practiced a little, and I want to share my morning routine in simple English today.
Oh, great! Talking about your day is super useful. You can use it in daily conversations all the time.
Exactly. I think this is something we should practice every day.
Right.
Please listen and repeat after us.
We will speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand every word.
Sounds perfect.
Oh, before we start, if you enjoy learning real daily English with us, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of our lessons. Are you ready? Okay, let's start.
First, I wake up at 6:30 every day. I feel a little sleepy, so I stretch in bed.
Stretch means you move your body to relax.
Yes. Then I open my curtains and let the morning sunlight in. It makes my room warm and bright.
That sounds nice. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30 every day. I stretch in bed. I open my curtains and let the sunlight in.
After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. It helps me wake up. Then I go back to my room and get dressed. I usually wear a comfortable shirt and pants.
A comfortable shirt and pants. They feel good.
For breakfast, I usually make a sunny side up egg, a small salad, and toast.
Sounds healthy.
But sometimes I burn the egg.
Burn means you cook it too much.
Right, but most days it's perfect. I always drink a cup of coffee. Coffee gives me energy for the day.
So it helps you feel more awake. Now, let's practice. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I get dressed. I usually wear a comfortable shirt and pants. I usually have a simple breakfast. Sometimes I burn the egg. Coffee gives me energy for the day.
After breakfast, I leave home and walk to school. It takes about 10 minutes.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes, but usually I enjoy the fresh air. I can see everyone starting their day.
That sounds nice.
I say hi to my neighbor's dog. He's always waiting outside.
Cute! A neighbor is a person who lives near your home. So, your neighbor has a dog.
Yes, the dog is very friendly.
Now say it with me. I walk to school. It takes about 10 minutes. I enjoy the fresh air in the morning. I can see everyone starting their day. I say hi to my neighbor's dog.
When I get to school, I get ready for class. In class, we read short stories or practice speaking.
Speaking practice is important.
Yes, I try to talk as much as I can. Even if I make mistakes, I keep trying.
Repeat after me. I get ready for class. I try to talk as much as I can. Even if I make mistakes, I keep trying.
So that's my morning routine.
Great! Let's look at your morning again. You wake up at 6:30. You stretch in bed. You open your curtains and let the sunlight in. You brush your teeth and wash your face. You get dressed. Then you have breakfast. Sometimes you burn the egg. Coffee gives you energy. You walk to school. It takes about 10 minutes. You say hi to your neighbor's dog. You get ready for class. You try to talk as much as you can. Even if you make mistakes, you keep trying.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us your morning routine. 1 or 2 sentences are enough.
Keep it simple. That's the key.
Next time, I'll share my afternoon and evening routine. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.